Welcome everyone to my channel that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So today I am going to push another video, or rather show another video of Vedic maths. In this we are going to discuss multiplication tricks. I know the other video also was shown related to that, but that was about a in minus b into a plus b, but this is something different. Okay, so let's see how do we do this kind of a trick using Vedic math. Okay, so if we had to multiply 84 into 5, okay, so here instead of we multiplying this with 5 directly, how about we convert 84 and this 5 as nothing but 10 by 2? I can definitely write 5 as nothing but 10 by 2, right? So now I just have to quickly divide this 84 by 2, and once I do that, so 2 ones are and 2 42s are gets me 84. So my final answer is 420. This is decent, right? Let's try for some other sum. How about we divide multiply 78 into 5. So what do we do in this case? Again, we divide 78 by 2 and multiply it by 10. So 2 ones are 2, 39s are gets me 78. So my final answer is 390. Students, at the end of this video, I am going to push another question. You will solve that question using this trick only, and you will answer that, or rather you will put the answers in the comment section. I'll let you know whether they are right or wrong. The reason for me to do that is so that after the video I will give you a question. So that after the video the question will be serving as a mental exercise. A lot of students just watch the video, they think acha acha, this is a nice trick, but then when it actually comes across, or when they come across these kind of questions, they forget to use the trick, and that is why I'm giving that as a simple exercise. Please don't forget to do that. Okay, so now again let's try to do this with something else. mm, how about 42 into 5? So now I'm going to do this orally. So 42 into 5, so we divide 42 by 2, so we get 21, and then we multiply by 10, so 210 is the answer. This is pretty cool, right? See how quickly we got the answer. Now you might be thinking that anything multiplied by 5 is so easy, why would I even want to have this kind of a trick? You're right, but sometimes when you come across a big number, it is much easier to use this trick as well. I'm going to show you how this trick works for some other numbers as well. Okay, so let's see how are you going to do multiplication of 52 into 25. Now this is big, right? It will take some time, surely. So can I write this as 52 into 5 square? And can I write this as nothing but 52 into 10 upon 2 into 10 upon 2? Because this is 5 into 5, and 5 can definitely be represented as 10 by 2. So now 2 ones are, and 2 26 gets me 52. 2 ones are again, and 13s gets me 26. So my final answer now becomes 1300. So you saw how this trick became so much quicker, because all you had to do was just convert this 25 in terms of 100, or rather you convert it in terms of 5 square, and then you use 5 as nothing but 10 by 2. So let's quickly try to solve one more. What do you get by 48 into 25? Now I'm not going to show you all this. I'm just going to simply divide by 4. Why 4? Because if you look over here, I divided 52 by 2 once, and then again I divided that answer with 2 again. So basically 2 into 2. So here if I divide 48 by 4, my final answer is directly 12, and then it gets multiplied by 100. So my final answer is 1200. I hope this is very very easy for everyone to understand. Now let's see 364 when multiplied by 25. I'm sure this is quite difficult if you sit and start doing the typical multiplication stuff. Okay, but let's do it with our trick. So when I divide 364 by 4, my answer is 91, and that gets multiplied by 100, so that is 9100. I hope this trick is now making a lot of sense. Okay, now I'm going to show you one more number which can be used for this kind of a multiplication. So when let's do 96 into 125. Now we know that 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 or 5 cube, and 5 definitely can be written as 10 by 2, 10 by 2 and 10 by 2. So basically you're multiplying by 1000 and dividing it by 8, because 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So 8 12s is 96. So my final answer is 12,000. Okay, damn cool, right? Now let's try to do this with another number, 168 into 125. So again 168 when divided by 8 gets you 21, then multiplied by 1000, so your answer is 21,000. Students, if you're liking the way I'm explaining, please go ahead and hit the like button, and don't forget to share these videos to whoever you think this might be useful. Okay, also students, if you all want a proper hard copy of a book which gives you all these kind of tricks related to Vedic maths, then I recommend a book which is known as Vedic Maths for All Ages. That book is available on Amazon. The link of this book is also available in my description, so please go ahead and check that out if you think that that is something which can help you forward. I personally do so. If you think that is the case, then you can go ahead and buy it. Okay, uh, also students, let's quickly revise how do we do this trick. So whenever you multiply any number by 5, you quickly convert, or rather multiply the numerator by 10 and divide it by 2. If you have a number which is getting multiplied by 25, you divide the numerator by 4 and then multiply it by 100. Now let's talk about another one. If you have a number which is getting multiplied by 125, so you're going to multiply, or rather divide the numerator by 8 and then multiply it with 1000. Simple. These three tricks is going to really help you saving lot of time when it comes to bigger calculations. Okay, and as well as if you all are planning to attempt any of these entrance exams, trust me, these are the tricks which they are going to show you in the first or the second lecture. These are known as speed maths tricks. Okay, so before going through the entire hustle and then actually starting to understand and learning these tricks, you can start applying these tricks right now itself. Okay, now time for the question of this particular video. So now please tell me, how are you going to multiply 808 into 125? Please let me know the answer in the comment section, but without fail use the trick which is shown in this video only. Okay, so I will, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.